Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about editing personal information on Familysearch because Familysearch has changed the personal pages, and so editing is slightly different, and I figured I would show the new way to edit. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to come here to your family tree on Familysearch and find the person or ancestor that you want to change their information or edit their information. I'm going to do Antonio here because he actually has a death date that needs to be standardized. So we can now go edit and fix that. So let's click on Antonio's name, click on it again, and it has now brought us here to Antonio's personal page. This is what the new personal page looks like here on Familysearch. I have done a video on what has changed here on the personal page. So you can watch that video, and I will leave a link for that video in the description box below. So like we saw, the data problem we have for Antonio is right here. There's a little red exclamation. This is new to Familysearch, the exclamation right next to the thing that needs to be fixed or standardized. But instead of the old way, which you would just click on the death and then click on the edit over here, and it'd give you a drop down box, now the edit is always right here. So you just click edit, and it should come up with a pop-up box. And it sure enough has. We clicked edit, and it brought us a pop-up box saying that, your date is not standardized. Here is the date. It looks like they actually have a space or a tab right here before the third, which is making it so it's not standardized. And I could just backspace and fix that. Or now you can come right here and click standardize event date and just click the right one. And now it's standardized. Same with death place. If there was a death place, it would have another box underneath it saying, hey, do you want to standardize the death place? You would click on it, and it would give you a list of places that are the correct standardized. And then you click on the one you want, and now it's a standardized. And of course, like always, if you do anything here on Familysearch, you explain why. So I'm going to put standard. So I just said I was standardizing the date because that's all we did, is we just changed the date so that it was standardized. If you guys don't know why dates and places need to be standardized, it's so that that date and those places are easily searchable on Familysearch. So they like it to be formatted a certain way so that it can be easily searched or easily pulled up on Familysearch. That makes it also easier for them to compare possible record hints with your ancestors, because now they can look at the date and place that is standard to the correct way that they want it, and it's now easy to compare next to possible hints or possible other people who might be a duplicate of your ancestor. So we're going to click save. And that's it. That's all we had to do for editing. If I want to change the christening information, I just click edit, and it'll give us the new pop-up. Then if I don't want to do anything, I can click cancel or the X, and I don't have to edit anything. Same with editing any other information. Click edit. It brings up a pop-up box. You fix the information you want to fix. You save. And you close. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys now know how to edit any of your ancestors' information or how to standardize things and why you need to standardize. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you all have a beautiful week. Bye!